Welcome to Excel Powerhouse. Today, I'm going to show you an amazing trick to sum numbers stored as text in a single cell using a custom VBA function. Let's dive in. Don't sum like this. Imagine you have numbers in one cell, like this, but you want to add them together. Normally, Excel doesn't have a built-in function for this. But don't worry, I've got a quick VBA trick to save the day. Press Alt plus F11 to open the VBA editor. Go to Insert Greater Than module and paste this code. This function splits the numbers by commas, converts them into values and adds them up. Close the VBA editor and go back to Excel. Now, type this formula in any empty cell. Equals SumTextNumber C3. And there you go, the total appears instantly. It's that simple to sum text-based numbers with a custom function. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Excel tricks. Thanks for watching.